1,000 soldiers, man. They got arms, big arms on. My life is so dangerous. If I stay for 1 day, 2 days, I'm not gonna die. Believe me, Cliff. I'm a thugster, gangster. You know, we two brothers. I am.
You steal some? Boom! You die.
Really wanna be a president, you know? Of Haiti? Fuck it. Fuck it. I don't really know if he's my enemy or if it's my bloody. I don't know.
If Tupac was not my brother, I'd kill him already.
Today in Haiti, we have terrorists, drug dealers, criminals, killing innocent people.
Armed gangs took over the streets of Haiti's capital on Friday, intimidating residents and shutting down the city. Gangs known as Shamir, which roughly translates as ghosts, pulled people from their cars.
Black and white, nigga, we love each other for real.
In my hood, you could get murdered and wrecked.
They will live by it and they will die by it. And it ain't no Hollywood movie. It's just the truth, and that's the way they get down.
Haiti's embattled president, Jean-Bertrand Aristide, has fled into exile and left Port-au-Prince at dawn.
Because they're afraid of you. They cannot leave you with all your guns. They don't know what you want exactly, if you are still for Aristide or not.
What we need peace, you know? We don't want to fight each other. So we don't want no more people die to the soleil, because we die of hunger already. Why are we gonna die by arms now? You understand?